Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to export points in MicroSurvey CAD. So what I've done so far is I plotted out our yard using a rover with Stormcaster and brought that file into MS CAD. I then drafted some additions that I want to build, and I've added points to all of these objects that I drew. If you want to know how I did all of these things, I've linked some of our other videos in the description. So, to export these points, first go up to the top here and click MS Points. Move over to the left here and click Active Coordinate Editor. So, you've got your complete list of points here, and now you just have to select the ones you want to stake. What's cool is that this editor works exactly like Excel, so I can click and drag, shift-click, or control-click, and select complete columns or rows. I want to export all of my points, so I'm going to move to the top here and click Select. And then I'm going to click Select All. Now that I selected all the points that I want, it's time to export them. Up here, click File, and then move down to click ASCII File Export. In this new box, you can select how your points will be formatted. I've chosen this one because I don't need elevation for this particular project. You can also change the delimiter between data, the number of decimal places, and whether to apply a coordinate transformation. When you're ready, click OK. Now you just have to navigate to your preferred folder and give it a file name. I'm going to call mine Test Export. When you're done, click Save. Click Yes on this pop-up, and you can see here in the bottom left that I have successfully exported 46 points. To prove it, I'm going to open up that file right now. I've got the folder open here, and I'm just going to double-click it and open it in Notepad. As you can see, all of my points are here. I'm now ready to import these points into FieldGenius and start staking them. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.